In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a border in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, open an existing design or click Create a Design to start a new project. After your design opens in the editor, look at the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. This section contains shapes, graphics, and other design elements you can add to your project. At the top of the Elements panel, you'll see a search bar. Type border and press enter. Canva will display a variety of border styles including simple rectangular borders, dotted borders, decorative frames, and artistic designs. Scroll through the options and select the border style you like. Click on it and it will appear on your canvas. Once the border is on your design, you can resize it by dragging the corners or edges. Adjust it so it fits neatly around your page or design area. If you want the border to go around the entire canvas, stretch it carefully until it aligns with the edges. You can also customize the border. When the border is selected, the toolbar at the top will allow you to change the color, line, thickness, or style depending on the border you selected. If you want to create a thicker frame, you can duplicate the border and layer it for a double border effect. You can also reposition it using the position option if you need to move it forward or backward in the design. Take a moment to adjust the spacing and alignment so the border looks balanced around your content. Once everything looks good, your Canva design will now have a clean and professional border that helps frame the content and make it stand out.